since this morning. So I'm gonna use trend lines, figure out entry points of the 5-minute chart right now.
Yep. I think I see
Right.
it's near.
Yeah, I'm looking at around 560, and after this current 5-minute candle will close, because there is a high probability that it might continue the uptrend according to this trend line. Do you agree, Afzal? I think
Yep.
maybe.
But saw that I'm looking at is around 560, because if you look on 15 minutes near, just look at 15-minute chart and see the corresponding candles, the green and a red that are together.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there.
There is like
there's a nice long in bar too, which is holding that support. So 3 candles are confirming that. So we will look for really good.
Yeah.
Now remember, there's a big resistance up there around 800, the major resistance point. But I think for a short term, for like a 5 or 2-minute turbo, we should be good. Let it come down a little bit. I think it's at 570. As long as it holds 60 area, we should be good.
I think we'll go
15 minutes actually.
Yeah, 15 minutes. Yeah.
Yeah, as long as it holds it. Okay, it's kind of.
I think we should wait till the end of this candle.
Let's wait 3 minutes. Let's wait 3 minutes and see, as long as it holds and give us some kind of support. But be ready, guys. Open Euro USD Turbo 5-minute and just be ready, because we just want to see a few things here. Okay.
I'm thinking if for some reason it will break this trend line, we can just trade it in the break. I mean, for a put. I'm just thinking if this candle would break it and then retrace to the trend line or to the support line, we can just take a short-term put, like 10-minute.
Yeah.
Just thought.
Let's see what it does. We have about 2 minutes to go to see what is happening. Oh, it's pretty much broken 560, which means the next one is 450 if at all it comes so down. But yeah, as it goes back up, we could go for an upward. Okay. Well, guys, I sneer also, if you guys see Euro USD and USD JPY, as you know, they correlate. And if you look USD JPY on an hourly chart, it's coming to a resistance, which means that it could reverse from 320 again. Which means if that goes down, this has to go up, right? So I'm thinking it's gonna hold that support. So if we get a really good or let's say around 500, because Euro USD on an hourly chart looks really nice to me. There's a red, green, and a red, which is not able to break, which is holding it.
Yeah.
And
I'm thinking if our actual support is on 560, I think we always should add like around 30 to 40, maybe 30 pips.
Okay.
I mean, like a caution pips, maybe 20.
Yeah.
Because sometimes it can like end on, expire online or a little bit above or below it.
Exactly. Exactly.
But right now it seems like it's holding.
It's
It's
holding
holding.
it. Yeah. So let it come down again a little bit. Let's say the 520, 530 area. Let's take a call because
Yeah.
yeah. So what do you think is near 5 minutes?
Um, I
Or
think
we try to do
15
longer?
minutes.
15? Okay.
What
Let's
do you
follow
say?
that and we could go maybe for 13:30. Okay.
Yeah, I think a call on Euro USD for 1330
Yeah.
around.
Aim for 500, guys, because I'm seeing 492 a very nice, better entry on a 5 minute. So aim for 500. Go for a call. If Sneer agrees, I think we can
Yeah,
go ahead.
yeah, I
Yeah.
think
Okay.
even 520.
Okay.
Right, so guys, the first trade is Euro USD between 500 to 520 for a call to expire at 1330, which is 15 minutes from now. Aim for 500, but again, I think 520 is a good entry too. But be patient and try to get the best price.
Yeah. Because we got almost 14 minutes left. So
Yeah.
yep. Lots of points here around 510. Hi, Mikhail. That's all right. Yeah. So that was the first signal, Euro USD, and yeah, looks like still.
Looks like it's holding again the 560.
Yeah. Now, if it comes down again, guys, next like which I think it will, it's gonna make another correction, come back down, and it most likely going back up again. So because if you see Euro USD JPY again on an hourly, looks like it's ready to push back up again, which means
Yeah.
that Euro USD will come down for an entry. But again, the entry is so important. They're both sitting on a um, in the range, kind of, So
Yeah, take a look at this. Like, really looking good.
yeah, patience, no hurry.
Yeah, we got time.
Yeah.
Um, Look, there is this support line here is around 560. So what I said before, it's always good to take a few caution pips in order to enter a trade when you trade support and resistance. So that's how we came up with 500 or 520. additionally, we have, I think it was on the hour, no, it wasn't, maybe the 5 minutes it was. Yeah, you have here this small support here, again 500. So it's kind of second confirmation. We had around 520 here, this small support that has been broken, but it was kind of fake breakout because there was a correction right away. You can see here, came in and broke this level on this bearish candle, then corrected on this bearish candle. So it might hold 522. That's basically.
So do you have AUD CHF open?
No, but let me open it.
On a 5-minute, it looks good. But let me see if I could share my screen too. I think
I don't think so.
yeah, okay. That's all right.
Let me just open it. AUD CHF.
Yeah. Yeah. Looks. So it's almost like a triple top snare, 5-minute AUD CHF.
Right here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
almost a triple top, like a turbo 2 or 5-minute. Easily land us in the money.
Like
But
here,
again,
right?
almost. Yeah, well, little thing, just a little bit. There we go. Yeah, that's it.
So do you think if it will retrace again to 450?
Yeah, we've got to be a little bit careful because if it breaks that line, it's gonna go all the way up. So I think we missed a few seconds because if it goes back up again, it's not going to come back down. It's just going to push its way up.
Yeah, right.
That's fine. We'll see what we have going right now. Okay, guys, Euro USD. Just watch Euro USD.
Yeah.
It's almost touched 500. It's gone a little below 500. So take a call. Let's do one thing. Let's take 500 call turbo and also 30. 5 minute and also 30. What do you think, Sneh?
Turbo of what? 5 minutes or 2 minutes?
2, 5, and even 30, like 13:30 GMT.
Yeah.
Because I think it's just gonna go up from here, from 499 to 499. Okay. Yeah, 502. Anyone in?
Yeah, I think people got in at 490 or something.
Oh, 490. Oh, 497. Okay. So everyone's in 30, right? That's fine. As long as you guys are in for 30, that's
Right, yeah, we have one on Turbo 2.
okay. Turbo should be good. We should have about 2 or 3 items here, I think, if we get a good SR. That's why, guys, we went get a good 500 was the ideal, and if you guys got below 500,
Yeah.
that's really good. I'm also watching. I don't like this pair very much. USD CAD. It's been trending down and down, but looks like it's reached.
I didn't even open it because
Oh,
there was
okay, that's all right. That's all right.
this news. Like, just let me watch it.
Yeah. Okay. USD CAD on a 5 minute again has reached a very, very important level, which is 1.29815. Almost a double top, a nice double top actually. So guys, are we ITM for 2 minute turbos and 5 minute? Well, I don't know if 5 minute has ended yet.
No, it hasn't.
Okay. Yeah. Missed cat. I think we missed it. That's all right. That's all right.
All right, bet him on a 2 minutes turbo. That's great.
Okay.
I mean, USD CAD looks good on double
Yeah,
top, but I'm afraid.
yeah, it can take a spike, take a big
Yeah,
spike and
yeah.
just ruin everything. So I'm gonna wait.
Let me just open the Forex factory. What was the result? It was a mixed result on CAD like 1 hour ago. So
Oh,
I don't know.
yeah, I think positive employment change. So which means CAD JPY must be up. I don't have CAD. Oh, should open CAD JPY.
Yeah, but unemployment rate like.
Oh, that was negative, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
there is
conflicting.
yeah, right.
That's not very good. So. Anyway, I don't really trade that news anyway because CAD doesn't seem to.
All right, we have
Unless,
another ITM on a 2 minute and a 3 minute, which is good. On a Euro USD.
oh, very good. Okay, let's wait 3 more minutes. I think we should have one more ITM.
Luckily, we don't have any more high impact news this morning or this day or this week, which we should be in the clear.
This is a good thing for us. Okay.
IDM on a 5 minute turbo. All right, cool.
Okay, great guys. This is a great start.
So we have a 2 minute ITM, a 5 minute ITM. Now we're waiting for.
Most likely we're gonna be, unless something disaster, which I don't. Well, let's see. Let's see.
Oh, stopped on the Forex.
I think what's happening is, yeah, okay, I see what's happening. USD is active.
Oh,
yeah.
Wait a second here.
But let's still hope we make it. We have 2 minutes, right? Okay, yeah, green now, guys. We should be green for the next 2 minutes. From 487, there's no way it can go down for at least 2 minutes. We should be okay. Oh, 1 pip. I really don't know what to say. This is some ITM. Yeah, I think that dropped there a little bit, kind of picked up ended right there. Yeah, well, 1 pip. Come on, the broker should have been right. Anyway, yeah, next 1 minute we are up. So, ITM plus one turbo.
Rate both 520 ATM for 13, which is good. Both hold it. I mean, if you get even on the 520, you should be ATM because it ends 522, which is good. So 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1330 over ITM, both for 500 and 520, which is always good.
Excellent, guys, excellent.
Yeah, now I think, Afzal, that we might look at a retracement to the trend line or the support for continuation of the break.
Yeah. Um, hmm. It's a little hard to say.
You're not comfortable
The
with.
only reason being Sneer, is that there is another. If you see 5 minute, it could retrace from 460 again, or from 480 to 460. This can be a little dicey. Um, because of the very short-term trade that we had in place earlier.
Yeah.
So right now it could. Let's see. Let's look at something else.
I think I have an idea on. Wait a second.
Yeah.
Just give me 1 minute. I'm just trying to. I'm an indicator that we don't have it on Freestar. It's kind of bummer. It's called fractals, which helped me a lot to draw the trend lines and support and resistance. So I'm just watching it on my MetaTrader on my phone.
Okay.
And there is something interesting that I'm watching it now. If I'm moving this trend line here, there is on this candle. I mean on this candle, which created like a new lower high. And let's see if this candle, the red candle here, will close above this line. Might have a nice entry. I mean, a nice call entry maybe for like, again, for 15 minutes maybe, or 10 minutes. But I need to see how this red candle is gonna close. If it will break the line, we might, it might continue pull back. But let's see. I mean, I think I can remove this line for now. Because 500 simple price.
Yes. 490 to 500. Excellent entry.
Yeah, but look at the power of this candle. I mean,
Yeah,
let's wait in 1 minute.
wait.
1 minute.
Yeah, because see 487 corresponding to that, when you see that line near, there's a long wave on the red to your left around 6 a.m. 6.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, that long. So that and that green, they're kind of holding in place. So
Yeah,
right. So that's why our 500 was pretty strong. Um,
yeah, but it might be the
yeah,
remote play there. But
might
let's
not
see.
hold.
Yeah, I don't will this time,
Yeah,
or maybe I don't know. It's movement. So
too hard to say actually.
yeah.
No worries, we'll get some.
Let me look on the.
My most comfortable SR, to be honest, with Euro USD, if I go short terms near, would be around 463. Just scroll back a little bit on a 5 minute, you can see something amazing on Euro USD.
Here.
Extend your time frame to say 3 4 a.m. and you draw a line at 460. You can see,
Oh, here.
yes, above, little up.
Right
Actually,
here.
you can go at the end. Just yeah, okay. Keep it there. Keep it there.
Oh,
Draw a line there, please. And
look
then
at the yeah, look at the
right.
climb it took.
So
Yeah.
look how many points. 1 2 3, and so getting an SR, I think, is the key here.
Yeah,
Don't
right.
be too uh, happy with what you see right now. If you see that spike, it could as well come down. Um, so we'll keep that in mind. We'll put that in place. Hmm. USD.
Um, let's see what is going on here. News DJPY holding. Oh, sorry. Um,
If you
this
want to
is
take a look at Euro GBP on the 30 minute.
I think I'm not sure you're talking about this.
Yeah. Again, it's not 100%. It could go anyway. 4172 seems ideal. But I think from down below there was a call there which we can't catch now. But if you want to put, I think we have to aim at around 170. 474172.
Like
Um,
right here on this week.
exactly. Look on hourly chart. It looks even better on an hourly chart.
Right.
So 474172 for a put, but I think from if we go on a smaller time frame, 5 minute, there was a call on a nice support which we obviously missed at
Okay.
74000. But we'll keep this also in 164. Yeah, around 164 to 170 for a put, most likely.
I have an idea maybe on a 20-minute trade.
Mm-hmm.
Let me just take a look again on my 15 minutes. 20 lines here.
That's Euro USD, right?
Yeah, on USD. This is my line here, and we have a nice candle here that came back to the trend line, but I don't know. Forget Forget
Tricky,
about it.
tricky.
Yeah, I don't know. It ended up like not good.
Yeah, unless, like, it's very important. Unless I get 460 and something happens around 470 area, well, then I'm gonna go for a call. Otherwise, because this, like, sometimes they seem so nice, but then they just drop all of a sudden, and we have like long wicks, like a dodgy or sometime a short body, and it's messy. So.
Yeah. Listen, remember what I said about I'm sorry. Let me show you once again on the 5-minute chart. We drew the line from, I think it was here.
Guys, keep an eye on Euro JPP. If it reaches 170, it will just let me know, okay? Don't take the trades, just let me know.
Alright.
Yeah, we did miss USD CAD, which is okay because it kind of broke 812, but then yeah, it was a fake breakout, so there was a proper resistance there. That's fine. Let's see what happens now. Yes, Near, sorry, you were saying something.
Oh yeah. Remember when I said that when I drew a trend line between two dots, 2 points, I mean, and there is a break
Yeah.
in the trend line and kind of confirmation here. Look at this nice move down that it took. It would be a nice fence though. You could take like
yeah,
a put
exactly.
from here and then a call here on the support.
Yes.
But let's look for similar examples or opportunities. Because they sit now in we have like what?
The lower Bollinger Band has opened, which means that there is volatility now. But look at the top Bollinger Band; it's going flat, almost flat on a 5-minute.
Yeah.
Which means that there is volatility to the downside, but then it's not a strong volatility. So the movement is very, very low. So unless, as you said, if we get a good SR from above, we could put, but we have to also keep in mind that the overall trend is up.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. No hurry, guys. We have almost 3 p.m. now, so we will We'll take our time. No hurry. So let's say
Oh,
we're
give me, let me for a second bring a charger because
Oh,
I have like 13%. Just 1 minute.
GBP has reached 150 max. Yeah, we had a 2-minute ITM, 5-minute. I don't know if some of you OTM, basically ITM signal, but that's fine. But yeah, the 1330 was ITM, so we'll consider it. We don't have a 5-minute turbo. Okay, we'll get some more ITM, no worries. We'll just begin.
All right.
Yeah, Euro GBP guy, one more spike, and then we're gonna go for a put. Okay, it's come down, which I don't really like. But
do you think it might hold this area
160?
here?
I think it's gonna hold 164, at least for 5-10 minutes, because
No, I'm thinking on let me take a look here. That's interesting actually.
Euro GBP.
But, yeah, look all those wicks.
Exactly. On an hourly and 5-minute and 30-minute, they all tell me that the price has rejected multiple times. But it does not make it a weak resistance now. It's basically it could if it just breaks everything and just flies or something happens. But it's most likely about 5 at least should. Right now it's all the way around. It happens few earlier it reach resistance. Looks like wait for the spike. Wait. Another call at below 500. Say a 5-minute turbo.
Let me just adjust something here. I think I lost you. Just trying to move to another location in the house. All right, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
All right. Now it's good.
Okay. I was saying, what do you think of Euro USD on a 5-minute call? Because look at 5-minute candles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times it's held that area.
Yeah.
So what if we go 5-minute and 1400 GMT call?
Around 470.
Yeah, well, maybe even 490, 476, 476, 480, around that area. We go for a call.
All right, we can do that.
Because I think it's gonna come at least, and look at USD JPY on a 5-minute. So they are both together.
Yeah. So what's the strike rate here? We said 490.
Well, we are aiming at 470, but I guess even 490 should do because I
All
think it's
right.
gonna stay up. Yeah. So
And we are
guys,
talking about
Euro
1400.
USD.
Yeah, and the expiration will be 1400 and 5-minute turbo. You
I
want to
think
do
5 minute.
it?
Yeah, 5 minute turbo is a lot better. I think. Plus, we can also try the 1400. But let's get a good SR. Let's get a good SR. Don't jump in here, okay? It's at 496. Let it come down just a little bit more. Perfect SR would be around 476, which I think is excellent. Very, very slow movement.
Yeah, right now
What do you
it's
expect on a
just
Friday? Well, it's almost now. It's still morning, but Friday, so.
it's morning for us, but almost the end of the day, in like what, 8 hours.
Come on, yo. Oof.
So remember, we are aiming for 480, right?
Yeah.
Right now it's just playing around this area. I would say even 470.
Yeah, I think it's gonna come down. Gonna come later.
Oh yeah, it came down.
Okay, guys. I think look at Sneer. Take a look at GBP USD too. So I think they're both gonna go up. Euro USD and GBP USD. Ah,
JBP
it's already
USD.
gone. Shit. 142. Yeah, GBP USD. Uh, look at GBP USD in.
I'll tell you what, look at Euro USD, just came down pretty roughly.
Whoa. Okay. This is a okay, guys. Hold on, hold on. We have to change something here.
um, I do think it will hold though. If we look on the 15-minute chart, I don't know. No, maybe not on the 15, maybe on the 30. Look at the week on the 5-minute.
Yeah,
Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, I think it's gonna go back.
yeah.
Yeah. So,
I think both USD and Euro USD. So let's focus on Euro USD for now.
yeah.
And one more small retrace, take a call. Because yeah, on 15-minute also it looks good. So if you can get around 430, go for it.
Yeah.
Or
Although
420, someone got it
people
420.
already entered around 470. So, as we said, 470 in the beginning, but no worries. I think it will hold too. It's
Yeah,
kind of strong support, but of course, him for as you saw this drop, him for
yeah.
around
430 at 420, 430. 445, yeah. 5 or 6 pips should be okay, guys, because if it takes a big peak, it's gonna touch at least 510, 520 again. So 423. Okay, try to enter below 430, 440. I think that should be safe, right, Sneer? What do you think?
um yeah, below this line, if it will go again for
430,
40,
yeah,
yeah.
430. Are you guys in for 5 minutes or it's a call? It's a call.
It's a call for 1400, right?
1400 and 5 minutes both. If you guys got
think if you go for a 5-minute turbo, you need to get a really good
Exactly. Around
strike.
40, 477.
That's pretty high,
Let's
but
hope. I'm thinking it's gonna take a
let's
big.
see.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's gonna take a big peak now. Big shoot up. Getting prepared. Yeah. Okay. Should now. For the next 1 minute, it should stay up, guys. But
It's a call, guys. It's a call.
it's a call. Obviously, it's a call. Ouch.
SR, you should aim below 440, because right now it's around 460. The original one was 470, something like that.
476, I think. Yeah, 476, 470. Guys, next time remember the one thing, okay? When you see a drop like this, because I was watching something, I was watching USD because that was a nice support to there. But just remember, if you see a drop like this, which is breaking our support line, you don't enter right away, right? You wait, and when we check back again, we'll let you know another good entry point, because we don't want to get a bad SR on a slow moving markets, because that could jeopardize your success rate, right?
Yeah,
So always remember, even when we post signals, when I post a signal, when it breaks my level, I say, guys, patience, do not enter right away. Patience, patience, right? Um, Now see, look at that peak.
yeah, right, nice. On a
It's gonna be
5-minute, it should be good. Yeah, wow, beautiful. So it should be ITM on a 5-minute chart, on a
yeah,
5-minute trade, whoever took it.
it's a 5 minute ITM.
Yeah, 5-minute should be ITM.
People
Why
OTM,
5-minute?
I'm really sorry because you guys maybe few seconds delay, because this was a clear ITM, guys. There's no way you could.
The 483, the closing price.
Can't hear anything. Yeah, I don't know where
Right?
Mikhail. I think Mikhail is busy, or he must have gone out because he was supposed to type the signals out. But I think the next 5 minutes we should be okay. Also, if you guys entered for 1400, but
Yeah.
this is an
I mean,
ITM.
yeah. All right, we do that. Anyways, I don't know why you guys OTM the 5-minute, because it ended up 483, and our strike we said between 470 to 480. So even if you got it 480, you still should be ITM on a 5-minute.
Yeah, I guess Snail.
Maybe
I
it
guess
was like
few
a,
seconds.
yeah, a
Yeah,
few
a few
seconds
seconds
delay.
must have.
Yeah.
Hmm. I'm looking at Euro USD on a 1 minute, and the reason it's come a little down is because of the 528 resistance. But hopefully it should stay up. Um, yeah, I think
Yeah,
it's
I'm
staying.
trying. I'm pretty positive for 1400, but let's see. I really love the wick here on this candle. It was
Yeah.
like a hammer or something.
Okay, that's that. And
Mine closed for 5.9. Oh, that's a shame.
Yeah. Euro GBP rejected 164. It didn't go all the way up though, so we missed that, but that's fine. We're doing well on the other ones, so we're okay. Yeah, 526 is the only issue, but I think it's going to hold this 470 for now, for at least another 2 minutes. Should be all right.
Yeah.
Let's hope.
Okay.
Let's hope 2 minutes.
Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, it's always better to take the turbo right at the end of the candle,
Yeah.
in my opinion.
No, I mean, if you guys entered, do not enter again. 2 minute turbo. If you have entered already, stay with that. We don't want to risk too much.
Yeah, let's not be greedy.
Yeah. We'll get some more rise almost for like now.
Yeah, we have 1 more minute to do in this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jordan, maybe. Maybe. It's always good to take it right at the end of the candle because we analyze it, the market and the chart according to a closing and opening price.
We have 1 minute, guys. Look on the 1 minute chart. Green candle open. Hopefully it stays green and just shoots up. So
Yeah.
yeah, 458 should be okay. The way it's looking right now should be okay. Okay. Now remember, guys, if this Euro USD takes a big peak, say even 520, 530, most likely we
Yeah.
are going to follow the trend, but we will wait. Okay, we'll wait.
ITM on a
Oh, it
1400. All right.
wow,
Good.
comfortably. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Very good.
Amazing. Nice.
Okay.
Good. We got plenty of ITMs this morning.
Yeah. Okay. Hmm.
Missed.
Yes, yes, GBP USD. If I told them just take now, call your GBP USD, we're gonna
Oh
pay
yeah.
attention too, but doesn't matter. I think if I'm like 90% sure or something, I'll just just say, I think Sneer, you should do the same. Let's just say,
Yeah.
okay, just take it. Don't
Look
care.
at USD now. I mean, look at that hike.
Oh
Continue the
yeah,
trend.
yeah, pretty nice actually. Hmm.
Let me take a look on my trend lines once again.
Browsing through all my charts here, looking at another very good opportunity. Euro CAD. Um, nah, let's don't mess with the CAD.
Yeah, I'm not. I don't feel like mess with
Yeah,
this pair. All
Say,
right,
what do you think? One more, to a couple of more signals, because we have almost 80%. I think we could.
yeah,
So,
I
guys,
think
if
we got,
you all made money, hope no more no more complaints now.
I think we got 1 OTM for
Yeah,
this turbo,
yeah, I think so. I think we had like about
this
three or
delay of
four.
this turbo.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but still we had lots of items. So.
yeah. What do you say about your JBP?
Oh yeah, I was looking at it. I was looking at it for a call, but Snare, remember,
It's too many,
yeah,
bounces
the pattern
might
is kind
break.
of chopped up. So if like, okay, I see my minor support at 060, but look at the candle before that. It's come all the way down, which means that and there's nothing corresponding. I mean, there's nothing I could rely on. I could say a strong signal.
Yeah, no, I thought on the resistance actually, not on the
Yeah,
spot.
resistance was very good, very very good. I think shame it didn't reach 160, but we would have just nailed that one. Even like 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes. I mean, it would have been.
Yeah.
But it just didn't reach my 164, so I couldn't give a proper signal for that. But
I have
no
an
worries.
idea.
Yeah.
Let me just test it. I'm thinking
Hmm.
on USDJPY.
Yeah, USDJPY actually is a nice chart. Uh,
I'm looking
even
at,
for a call and a put both together, right? We could do both, I think.
yeah, I'm thinking, let me show you what I see on my mobile
Okay.
chart. I see a nice move here,
Uh-huh.
right? From those two um, points. And I see it could be a nice fence trade.
Yeah.
Let me see something.
And actually, Sneh, the amazing thing with USDJPY is that since 7 a.m., look at the range. It's between
Yeah,
220 and 320. So
right.
it's beautiful. And usually JPY has this tendency to, do this. It's holding that major resistance, which is 340 area, but then it somehow found itself a new support at about 7 a.m. from
I'm
6.
thinking, I'm thinking as Euro USD probably is about to go up and continue the trend. I think that if we take a put on USD JPY around 280 or 285 for like 10 minutes till 14.15
Okay.
on this break of the trend line, it might hold it.
Okay. Let's keep that in mind. Also look at USD JPY in 30-minute time frames. You're gonna see a different outlook. There we go. Now draw support. There,
Yeah,
right? So
right.
does
I
that look
think,
better? So if we follow the trend
yeah,
and we take off, so even though mind you there are some long wicks there, but look at it, the price has retraced. So those wicks were just speed is a bit muffled. Let me type it.
I'm thinking
Yeah.
maybe we can take both put and calls on this USD JPY.
Okay.
Let me just take a look on the 50. What do you say about a call around 240
Yeah.
and
I said
put
put at
around,
280, like around 280, and then
yeah,
call at 240.
All right, let me type it right. What are expiries on this one?
I think we are going for 15, 14, 15, but I'm not sure if it's going to touch that 240 in like 2 or 3 minutes, because then it's going to become a turbo. So we could wait, because I don't know if 1430 is too long, might be too long. Let's go for first scenario. What do you think? 237 or 240? 240 call for 15. That's 14:15 GMT,
Yeah,
and then we'll decide the put in a bit, because it's gonna shoot up in about 2 or 3 minutes. It's gonna come and test the support on a 30 minute. If you look on the 30 minute, it's approaching 240.
this is the signal, so bear in mind.
Yeah. And guys, if you see a sudden break at 240, we don't jump in, right? I think we understand that. We wait, and we are looking at it closely. Me and Sneera and I are just focusing on this one.
Yeah,
So
let's put the line here.
okay, 245, 244, 242, and 41, almost there. 238.
Yeah,
Okay, 238 should be all right.
I think we can say that they can enter, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can enter this trade below 240.
236, someone entered at 236. Yeah.
Good.
Is everybody in? Everyone in? 242. Yeah, turbo. Well, same thing anyway. It's 14:15 GMT is
Yeah, it should be
in
like 5 minute turbo if
5 minutes.
can.
Yeah. So 241. Yeah. This is a
Right?
good signal, guys. According to me, this should hold pretty nicely, because even on a 30 minute and on a 5 minute, it looks nice to me. So I think we said below 240, but that's fine. Don't make double entries, okay? One entry, guys, just one entry. Isn't it so much better to do it this way than for signals on the wall? The reason being, we can tell these people to be cautious when when there's something wrong happening. But on the wall, you
Yeah.
gotta like type and type and type. Nobody listens.
Right.
Okay.
I mean, it's good that we're doing it together. I think it's
Yeah,
better.
I think it's better.
It's playing around. Look at this.
Yeah, because
Trying
see, there's one
to.
more support there, so it's like kind of testing the other one,
Yeah.
which is at around 230, I think, or below around. Let me check. Let me check on a 5 minute. Yeah, which is at 225. But but
Look at this
yeah,
movement. It's like
yeah, 225. I
up,
think
down, up,
225.
down.
Yeah, 225 looks a little better, guys. I hate to say this, but let's do one more thing, okay? If you guys didn't enter below 240 yet, and if it comes down close to 225, take another call for same turbo. 2 minutes or?
I think it should hold the original position.
Yeah, I think it should hold both. It should hold both. So if you got it around 228, should be okay. And 240 should be alright. My broker is way off the SR from your chart. I'm sorry, I can't help you, Michelle. I think it went even to 227. We should get both. Is anyone in at around 225? I guess I was a little late, but
No, I think
that looks slightly stronger to me. 225, slightly. Well, we should be okay. Yeah, I see a green now, so we should just push all the way up.
yeah, I love this week.
Yeah, this is good.
Although we have 2 more minutes, but let's see.
And here, as I predicted, Euro USD followed the put at 520, but that's fine. We won't play with that. We should be okay, guys. We should be okay with USD JPY. We have 2 more minutes.
Let's just wait and see. I don't like to jump into conclusions.
Yeah, well, I can tell. Sometimes, but alright. Can't just.
202 by TM for 25.
If you're in for turbos, you should be comfortably ITMing. I have no doubts because it's gonna probably end in like 1 minute. Do you see that small resistance at 268 for USD JPY? Moving average 50. That's why we are seeing that small kind of, it's pushing on from 268 because it's touching that moving average 50.
Oh yeah, maybe.
but I think
my
no, 1 more minute, right? So 1 more minute.
Yeah, like 30
Yeah,
seconds.
okay. Yeah, we should be alright. Yeah, see, that 268 is kind of saying, get down, get down.
5 minutes ITM, alright. Cool, so we have another item on the 15.
Yeah, 1415 was pretty comfortable.
Yeah.
Although, as I mentioned, 225 would have been better, but that's okay. If it stayed for some more time, I guess some of you could have entered that too, but I know what, no worries. I'm sorry?
No, I thought you said something and I missed it.
I said, if we are doing well, do you think we should continue? You want to give some more? You want to stay? Like, what do you think, or should we just?
Let's stay. I think I think we can observe and see. Let's
if you guys are doing nothing, then just stay with us. We'll. I'm going to look at some more.
Yeah, I think I saw one person like got 5 ITMs and 0 OTM. Buddy to just I think don't take any risk. 5-0.
If you guys have 80%, I don't think 80%. Watch with us, okay?
Yeah, watch with less. Just don't be greedy. I think you don't get better than 100% or 80%.
Yeah, exactly.
One losing trade can ruin everything. So
Exactly.
just bear with us and watch. Um, I think
Turbo.
the 225 really
Oh yeah, it's
holding.
holding. Yeah, pretty nicely, isn't it? So I think the turbo would have just. I mean, it's late now. Probably going to just keep going up and up a little bit, like play around. But
Yeah,
let's look at something else here. Let's look at. Let's look at. um,
Jordan. I think I told you that if you take two that it expire at the candle. I mean at the
Yeah.
closing price of the 5 minute candle. I mean, although I'm not sure how you manage to OTM this because during
Maybe.
this candle, I mean, if you took 1 minute um, earlier, you should be ITM on this one because since take a look on this one, we're looking at those 2 minutes, right? One, two, and three. None of these those two candle, went below 240.
Okay,
Even
guys.
this
Sorry to
candle,
interrupt, Snare. I'm looking at USD JPY again. I'm thinking we can go for another call.
where? Oh, on Euro
USD
USD,
JPY.
USD
Yeah, USD
JPY.
JPY. Sorry, it came back down to 220 again, and I think we kind of missed it. Uh, Shucks. Yeah, 2 minute turbo or 5 minute. And on the moving average 50 snare, 268 seems like a place where it's going to hold again. So we're not going to go too long on this. A 5 minute turbo would have been just amazing, or a 2 minute turbo. But that's all right. I think we missed it. Sorry, I interrupted because I saw this.
Yeah, no, I'm just wondered
I
how
think what happened with him is it must have expired like 30 seconds or 40 seconds after um, 15.
oh, after.
I got,
All right.
yeah, because it ended at about 55, 255, and then came down up
Yeah, and
like
then
10 seconds.
right.
So yeah, this would have been another ITM, guys. USD JPY 220. That's okay. Let's look at something.
Oh, all right. His broker says ITM. No,
Oh, okay, okay.
sorry.
Made me happy. No.
Listen, I'm not. Are you sure about this? Sorry for doubt to you, but this 15 moving average. Think it's really gonna hold? I mean,
Well, the only thing is that see, if you look on a 5 minute chart, USD JPY near, and look at moving average passing, and see how many
where?
times it has jumped from that point.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not saying it's strong, okay? I'm not saying it's strong, but if we are looking for a long term, it could prove to be. Now look, it just rejected again 268. Now it's trying to break, but it's not going to. See, it's come back down again. So a 2 minute turbo or a 5 minute turbo from 220 or 225 would have been good. But if it breaks this moving average, it's probably going to go up. We
Yeah,
cannot
right.
we cannot say, because this moving average kind of played nicely for on a 5 minute. That's why I'm kind of,
Right.
so
And I
yeah.
think, yeah, maybe you were right about this level here.
Yeah, 268. Again, maybe 268 could have been a turbo put, but again, that's very risky because you don't trust moving averages. You can trust support levels, but don't trust too much because they can break easily and just move above the moving average. No worries. No worries. Still looking at the charts. Looking at
Yeah. Do you think if it will go back to 220, could be a nice call once again?
I think so. Yeah, it will.
I think even for
It will, but
14, 1430 maybe, no?
okay. Yes, yes, yes. We have one more opportunity. Guys, look at it's near also. GBP JPY and USD JPY both. Put them side by side and look at GBP JPY in an 30 minute and 1 hour.
Oh, I don't have it.
Oh, okay. Again, moving average is playing out there for a call JBP JPY. If we can get about 150 as our SR,
Hold on 1 second.
moving average 50 on a 30 minute GBP JPY and USD JPY. Both, if they come down,
Oh, all right. Now I see it.
right? Um, and you put moving average 50 on a
Yeah.
30 minute and see that nice, see that wick, see that candle, the red candle before the candle which is actually moving right now.
Yeah. This is
Yeah,
this one.
and see how the price is rejected and went all
Right.
the way up. So which means it's acting as a support. That's on the 30 minute. On a 15 minute, also at about 149, it held. And see that green candle on a 15 minute besides the red candle, which means
This one?
that for 5, 10,
Oh,
yeah,
this one.
1 second.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, that one. So 1, 2, 3 times, which means that this support, even though the overall trend is down, if we go for a short-term call, say
Yeah, around
around,
I think
now again
200.
the SR, yeah, my SR would be, to be honest, about 145. The reason being is that on a 15 minute, I can see something on the same level, which is also another support.
Here?
Um, yes, exactly. So that's the only reason,
Yeah.
right? No, down. The one you had before.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
there you go. That's it. So something to watch out.
All right. Let's see.
Let's see.
Are we talking about 1430?
We're talking about, yeah, about 1430. We're talking about 1430. Let's look at this on a 5 minute and see how it looks on a 5 minute. See, on a 5 minute, again, about 170 to 140. Oh, shucks, caught up now.
Yeah, no, it's just
Overanalyzed. What is this? I take a call. I think I was a little late, actually, to be honest. Because when it was around 16, 170, could have been fine. But yeah, this is gonna go up, guys. Gonna go up. It's okay.
yeah. Look at this hike. Huh.
Yeah. There was a nice call there, no doubt about that. And same with USD JPY, if it comes up to our level for 230. Again, Snake, look at the 268, how it's holding so beautifully.
Where?
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Sometimes, like, they don't do that. Like, moving averages don't actually affect so much, but yeah, today it seemed like JPY and USD JPY, they're both.
And guys, we typed all the signals that we took. So I think and the key in the
Took the call. Yeah, somebody took the call. This guy's pretty fast. Yingze. You should be alright, man. You should be alright. What's the SR if you don't mind me asking, Yingze? He was pretty quick in catching it. He saw the doji there. Well, not exactly doji, but
I mean, guys, we type the signals, but the key in the webinar is that we're gonna just say it, so you won't miss it.
Yeah, we want to be fast. We want to be
You need
quick.
to
That's the
be,
goal.
yeah, you should be fast.
Snare, I'm looking at GBP again. 30 might not be ideal, but a 5-minute call, if this candle closes um, above 150 or something,
Yeah,
let's see for a call.
sure. Look at that now. I think it's kind of acting strange.
Yeah, I think it's holding it. It's still holding it. It's holding 164 or one.
Um, hey, it was good for a turbo, maybe.
Yeah, 5-minute turbo. I think it's still good even now, Snare, for like a 5-minute turbo call, but it has to end at 30, which is risky because it's a 4.
Maybe you can take a 3 minute turbo.
There were 3-minute turbo.
I don't know.
Guys,
No,
please go.
I'm kind of, I'm not comfortable, to be honest, about this one.
Okay, that's
I
fair.
mean, just look at that. I mean, usually when it drop that hard, um, close to the closing of the candle, I mean, it
Mm-hmm.
might just,
Stay
I don't
down,
know.
you think?
Yeah, I think. But let's see. I don't know.
That's okay. If we are not sure about it, let's not go into it. The
Yeah, I'm
numbers keep
kind.
coming, there's no doubt. There's no.
Yeah.
Hmm,
Um. Yeah. No, I'm not. I'm not
160
gonna
again,
take
but
it.
that's okay. No. It's like 5, 6 pips
Yeah.
close.
You
So.
see, right now it just kept dropping.
Oh yeah, it just broke that
Yeah.
level, didn't it? Yeah.
There is no signal, guys. Don't worry. We're
Don't enter
just
for now.
analyzing. Just 10 ITMs.
Man,
Nice.
whoa.
Yeah. All right. Good. Hmm.
I just had $20 balance already in 160. What's your? I think you should be all right. What's your expiry on? You might just make it. You might just. Oh, maybe not.
No, I'm not positive about this trade. I don't know. And I think we said not to take it. I mean,
Yeah,
just observing. But I hope you just put small amount in this trade.
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Let's
Hmm.
hope we can
I think
go.
5 minutes that expire in like 1 minute.
It could still go up, eh? I
Yeah,
really hope
you
you
might
make it.
make it.
You might make it. But yeah, it clearly broke 147 too, but then it rose up from there. So anyway, let's move on. Where is my USD now?
155.30. I mean, all right. Let's see. You have 20 seconds.
USD extraordinary sneer. Look at it.
Oh,
It's just
look at
like
JVP.
moving
Look,
between 268 and 240
look
or
at
2.
JVP JPY. Wow, it hold
It
actually.
holds, right?
Even
Yeah. I was because 149 was like the ideal, so I guess 149 would have been nice. But when it broke 149, I was kind of skeptical. But
yeah, you guys should be ITM. Everybody who entered. Yeah,
oh yeah, ITM. Good for
yeah,
you. Good for you. Good for you.
it's like a party today.
Okay, no worries. Now it's gonna hold up for another 2 or 3 minutes. So but side came already. That's good. Um,
What we're gonna look for now?
I'm looking at. Uh, uh, uh,
You were right about this 50 moving average here. Hold it like it bounced off it a couple of
yeah,
times now.
yeah, yeah. It works. It worked today, and hmm, interesting. GBP USD and GBP JPY both sitting on a well. GBP JPY is gone anyway. About 140, and I think we missed GBP
Very
USD
fidgety.
also near,
Oh, yeah,
but they were
worked.
both on a nice support. But no worries, no worries. Yeah, both actually GBP JPY and GBP USD they were both.
Look at the hike, dude.
Oh yeah, this was pretty nice actually. I wish everybody got in, but if we are not sure about something, we're not, we won't.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh,
I'm the flying. It's funny. Um, let's see. I think look at JBP USD. It's a nice downtrend right now on the 5 minute.
GBP USD. It finally broke 268. Um. Hmm. Wow. Snare, look at USD JPY on the 30 minute. It just rose
USD.
from 244. Amazing. Amazing.
Oh yeah.
Shucks. Yeah, I guess I was a little conservative when I said 225, but I guess 240 would have been good. No worries, no worries.
What about if we try to fence it?
We
There
possibly we could,
is
yes, but
any opportunity,
remember the
right?
trend has just picked up. The green has just picked up, so we let it go up, and we let it touch 313
Yeah,
and see
even
what happens around.
300, I think.
Yeah, around 300 to 313 on a. I'm looking on a 30 minute and see what
Oh,
happens there. And if it shoots up, our next point, which is like I could say it could be a nice strong signal, will be around 349. Because guys, look at 349 on different time frames. Look at an hourly time frame and look at 2 hour time frame. You could never go wrong with 340 or 350. So two levels,
yeah.
300 and 340. But we wait for it to we wait for it to come up. We wait for it because it has just taken that hike, that big nice spike.
No, I don't think we're gonna have end of day, but I think we might continue trade on the wall afterwards. But I don't see
Yeah,
any end of day opportunities right now because
end of the day, guys, you have to be very careful because anything can happen. Uh, if you guys really want end of the day, okay, I can tell you one signal right now, but you have to be very patient. Okay, USD CHF call at 0.9533. Well, not 337, but let's say 340. Let me type it up. You have to be very patient, though this can take maybe like 2 hours to come down. Call 0.9. Sneer, I want you to take a look at USDCHF on a daily chart. Let's show these guys what I mean. 0.95340 end of day, which could be 2100 GMT or even 2300 GMT. On daily chart, look at USD CHF and draw a line exactly on the point what I'm talking about. You will see the amazing no, the SR that I gave Snare is I think 0.95350.
0.95350.
Just edit it. Yeah, click on the line. Click on that line.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, edit and no, click edit and then type it up. 0.95340. Yes. And now just scroll it. Extend your thing time frame and look how many times.
Yeah.
There we go. There you go. There. Look at that. Amazing. But we wait for this. We wait for this point. Okay, we're not.
Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, let's see if it will reach. I don't know.
Yeah.
Looking at USDJPY,
it's shooting up. It's coming up. I would look at on 5-minute USD/JPY is near. I think we should wait for at least 326 now. The way it's looking. It's a triple top on a 5-minute.
Yeah, it's a triple top, and I would feel comfortable with 322, but let's see.
Yeah, I think so too. On 322. There is another resistance at 317. So around 317 and 324, you could go for a put for 45 if it all comes like up in 1 or 2 minutes.
Although look at that, I mean, it's coming up, and I think you should get ready for it. On a side note, I think this trend line will hold it too, but let's see. The 320 is obviously much much stronger.
You can't go wrong unless some fundamental comes and blast it.
So let's maybe write it down. Maybe?
Yeah.
Oh, your answer.
I'll write it down.
Write it down.
USD JPY put 120.324 expiry 1445. Now remember, if this doesn't come in the next 1 or 2 minutes, we're gonna go for turbos, okay? Or turbo. Let's write. Where are we now? 290. Better be patient, guys. We are not rushing. We want a good entry. That's what we want. Yikes. No worries. Go up. Things near your SR 300 is kind of yeah, it's holding it. But I don't know for how long. That's the thing. So that's why I was aiming at 320.
As you can see, 300 hold it, as I thought it would,
Mm-hmm.
right there.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think it will hold for 45. I don't think anybody entered. Oh, maybe one. Jordan entered at 3. Oh, oh, no,
No,
nobody entered.
we're discussing about the
Yeah,
USD channel.
discussing about it.
Yeah. It's 95340. You have lots of time for that because you guys wanted end of day, and end of day we don't want to screw up. Giving short term.
Look, I'm pretty positive about the 300 thing.
It looks very, yeah.
For 45, even on the 1450, like 10 minutes. I'm pretty sure it will hold. But let me know what you think. And
Yeah.
because as you can
But
see,
for
it's
now,
it
it
was.
looks pretty nice. To be honest, it looks pretty nice on other. But
Yeah, you have this trend line between those 2 points, and then you have this week that kind of confirmed that it was a nice rejection
yeah.
after this breakout. So might continue the down move, or for the short term, like 5,
Yeah.
10 minutes, not more maybe, because it might go all the way up to 320 and test it up
Okay.
there. So it
Yeah.
was on this candle. It was a nice 4 or 5 minute turbo.
Yeah. Yeah. Guys, look at USD JPY on a 5 minute. It's coming up now. But before that, look at the candle. Before that, you see that red candle and that long wick. That wick is extending up to 307. 307 is its highest point. Now, if this candle, green candle, spikes up and it goes beyond 307, we wait. Okay, we don't enter right away. Um, and probably it's going to test the 320. But for now, as Sneer said, 300 turbos looks pretty fine.
Yeah, let's try it.
Just
I think
wait.
we can afford the risk because we had a good session.
Yeah.
So you see it came up to 291 and then
Mm,
crashed again. So
yeah, that candle kind of it's not a shooting star, but it's whatever it's called. I don't know what the name is, but
yeah, I mean it's
what's it
an
called?
evening
What
star,
is that?
but
Yeah. So it's a
it's an
nice,
evening
you're
star,
right,
but
confirms.
evening star I think it's much better when it's like in the end of an up move.
Yeah.
Here it's like on a range.
Wow. Yes.
Yeah,
I was looking at something and I thought, shucks, we missed it. Euro USD call, this would have confirmed USD JPY put. I didn't look at it. Look at USD JPY on
something
a 5 minute.
interesting that you can see here, it's maybe this retracement of the 50 moving average. I mean around 260 maybe
Yeah.
for
Yeah,
a
yeah, yeah, yeah.
short-term call, maybe like 2 minutes or
Oh,
five
a
minutes.
call?
No,
Oh, 257 maybe. Because look at 257 near. Draw a line of
257.
257 on a 5 minute, you will see something. So
Oh yeah,
maybe,
there is.
maybe.
Yeah.
But again, this is where we are risking, right? Guys, we will take this trade only when no voice. Can you guys hear me? Hello?
Yeah, you should hear us.
Yeah? Okay.
All right.
You should hear us. Okay.
Yeah,
So
you were right. If it
257.
is true. Yeah.
Okay. We are risking 257. If you had a really good webinar, don't risk it. If you're having a
Yeah,
really bad,
yeah. If you're like a couple of
yeah, this
winning
is like a
trades,
$5 trade risk, guys.
yeah, just
257 call.
don't risk too much. Yeah, for a call, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, for a
So
call. What takes
257
5 minutes?
call. Let's take 5 minutes. 'Cause
5 minutes?
I think, or we could go a little longer, like 1500. Because remember, there's a nice support at 240 or 225. Hello. Can you hear me, Sneer?
I can hear you. Sure.
Yeah, okay. So I was saying, if it breaks 257, then our next call would be 240, but we could go slightly longer. We could go maybe like 1500 GMT. But on a 5 minute, this looks fine. I think 257 should hold. How many guys entered 257? Let me know, please. 5 minute, okay. People entered at 5 minutes. Guys, I really hope that you fix the audio
Amazing.
issues because signals
Beautiful.
are going fast. We don't wanna miss it, right? And typing takes time, remember. So it's probably gonna move around between 257 and 300 for the next 2 or 3 minutes. Hopefully it lands above 257, so we could do this, which I think it will. It looks pretty nice for now. Small amount, guys. Don't go crazy on this. It's a weak support.
I think it's better for the short term, actually.
Yeah, because
Mm,
this 5 minute candle, I can predict it's going to be great. It's going to stay great. But the next 5 minute candle, maybe it can test 40 again and go back up. So we will
yeah.
wait. Actually, Sneer, I have an idea. We should do this more often. The reason being is that we could post so many signals in such a less time. Because I
I
think
think
it's
I think we should stick right now to once a week because
yeah, once
I
a
mean
week.
the wall is amazing. I think I love to
It's
trade it
nice, yeah, all is nice, but
more. Yeah.
here we like give more. Like in less than 2 hours, remember signal 8 hours?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah. Guys, how many minutes have you got? More 2 minutes to expire?
Yes, should be 2 minutes.
Okay. Yeah, it's going to probably test. Let's look.
Hmm.
No worries. No. It'll hold. It'll hold. Next 1 minute it's gonna hold. Next 1 minute is gonna hold. Next 2 minutes, mm, depends where it, you know. Goodbye to my boss. Yeah, this one should hold 257. There you go.
All right. Let's see. One more minute, right? For the
Oh, yes. Okay. I think it's gonna hold. I think it's gonna hold. The way it looks like on 1 minute for me, it looks nice, so it should hold. Don't worry. Come on, come on, come on, come on. ITM. Yep, yep. There you go. ITM. Phew. Yeah, clearly ITM, clearly ITM. Sneer,
yeah,
another
yeah,
good ITM, buddy.
yeah, yeah. We got it. nice, small, very small one.
Yeah,
But
risky. That's why it's risky, guys. But see where it ended, right? That's why it was risky. But
yeah,
doesn't matter. We can afford
yeah. I think
to
in
take
like
risks.
um, I'll keep the thought in my mind for 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I think yeah. All right, for 1450, it was good too. Very small though, but still in the money for sure. So,
Yeah.
all right, I think, Afzal, I think
Yeah.
we should call it
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
a
Yeah. I'm
session.
gonna get
I
something to
think
eat. I'm starving. Have a need to
yeah,
eat.
let's
So
not
guys,
risk
I think
anymore.
today was a really, really good day. I think in about 1 hour, 1.5 hour, we got about 7, 8. I don't know how many ITMs. Lot of
I think
ITMs.
yeah, we have a
Barely one OTM. So we could conclude as a very successful webinar.
yeah, it was a
Um,
very good
as
one
the
overall.
agreement was, you guys are going to transfer $20
Yeah,
to
just
PayPal, yes, to PayPal.
the remaining $20, as a
Yeah,
contribution as we agreed. If you can do it
yeah,
by the end of the day, it will be great, today.
yes.
And that's all, I think. Thank you so much. I think
Then
after
thank,
we will continue this, you know, on a weekly
yeah,
basis
yeah,
right
yeah,
now
for sure, for
together.
sure, for sure.
It's the
Because this way
best.
we could use both our minds and look at charts. Look at 257 still holding,
Yeah,
but doesn't matter.
257.
I'm not looking at it anymore. Um, so thank you guys. I think we'll successfully end this here.
Yeah, yeah. And I think
Most
I'll
likely
see
this
you
will
on
be
the mall
uploaded on
on
YouTube.
I see you on the wall later on, right? Probably.
I might. No, I'll look at how the market is, and if this reaches around 320 again, I'll probably, or 240, I'll probably post few signals, or just look around. But well, it's 240 now, but okay, let's
Yeah.
let it come down. So anyway, yeah, if I see a good opportunity, definitely I will post few more signals. I think Sneer, you would too. I don't know about
Yeah,
you.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but I'm just going to eat something and just relax myself, and
Cool.
see you guys around.
All right. Yeah, see you. Thank you.
Successful day, yeah? Okay. Thank you guys. Bye.